Alright, catching a bee swarm here in the sign on a roof, local building. Alright, Charlie. Luckily, on the side of this swarm, we caught our queen. So see her, she's that bigger one.
Okay. That side, yep.
Yep, see her going across?
Mm-hmm.
So they'll all figure it out here in a second. Here, you can be my cameraman. We can give these to you ladies inside too. So I'm going to move her over here where she's nice and safe. You know the hive's safe. Go here. And this, it's a good size little swarm. It's an R, so the whole hole's full of bees. Got a much nicer home than an R and an old sign for you.